AEHL Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Antelope Enterprise Holdings Limited, it's I'm just out of $5, right? And generally speaking, this is all over the place. I mean, 126% up is not a small deal. Let me see some previous receipts, which seems like I don't have, which is solid, but I'm not trying to just overhype this, but most of these things, pumps and dumps, fall out to be dumps, right? And with my approach, well, you don't have to spend 5 years and 5 figures like I did trying to learn this stuff. Obviously, it's not just on paper, actually perpetual learning, which is you have to just go through it, but only if I see this thing giving me a double break am I actually going to look to take it up, right? Other than that, me just randomly trying to force, it's not going to happen. Again, it's just me. It's obviously not financial advice. All I'm looking in the meantime is I'm just waiting. If no rules are met, why the heck would I look to force, right? So what happens if it keeps going down? Yeah, for that, stay tuned. It's first link in the description. It's free newsletter. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.